How to fix WhatsApp voice message not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. The very first thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. So go ahead and open this option of General. Scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, WhatsApp. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply next solution. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on your WhatsApp. Click on the option of Remove App. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.